Not gonna lie, Outre, I was a little worried about this one. Sometimes you just have to throw yourself upon the task at hand, and that's what I did. I just threw the wig upon my dome. You have to have faith the size of a mustard seed, okay? Because look at this bop right here. Take a look at it, okay? It's given, and I got the deeds. Hey, cousin, hey, it's your girl, Mary Kay, coming to you with a sleigh today.
Hey.
I'm coming to you with a sleigh today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Now, you see the big box. You already know what time it is. It's one little wig inside this big old box. Outre. Why the big box? Why the big box? But look, this is what's on the inside. This is Miss Charlyn, we gonna call her Charlyn. It might be Charlyn though. It might be. But anyways, Miss Charlyn is a synthetic wig, 20 inches. It's a yaki curly wig. It's a 13x6 frontal, and I have the color ginger copper. Now, here's the stock card for Miss Charlyn. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. I'm a little nervous. Look at that. I'm a little worried about it. Now, the color is bright, but it might be right. I don't know at this point, okay? It does have an elastic band in the back. It had a little factory smell, you guys. Not a bad smell, but just kind of like it's been in a factory. So I'm spraying some of that good old silicone spray on it because it smells so good and it does wonders for synthetic wigs. So, hey, why the heck not, okay? Now, sometimes you just have to throw yourself upon the task at hand, and that's what I did. I just threw the wig upon my dome, and I'm trying to figure it out at this point because it's nice on the stock card, but the way the color is set up, and then I got that bright red on my lips, they fighting and arguing and tangling, twisting, and I don't want that. And this is a lip stain, so I'm trying to get it off, y'all, but it's doing its job. Okay, finally I got it kind of off a little bit. Now, upon initial inspection, I was going to ride out with the middle part, okay? And just pray for the best. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know how it was going to manifest, okay? This wig right here, Outre, I was worried. I'm not gonna lie. I was worried, and I didn't know which way to turn. But then I started thinking, well, let me just fluff, because sometimes with curly wigs, if you just finagle it a little bit, disrupt it, you know what I'm saying, make it a little less uniform, you start to see the vision, and then you are able to do what it is that you was supposed to have done in the first place, but you didn't see the vision at first. Because some of y'all looking for things, but you're not open to the vision, huh? Now, I don't know you need to be open to the vision, not what you think you finna set out to do. Y'all, I know this is not the lawnmower man out here right now while I'm doing this, boy. Sorry, you guys. I'm gonna try to take the noise out, but if you hit a lawnmower, I'm so sorry. The ignorancy of the time that I chose to do this. Anyways, this is where it's kicking in for me right here. Go ahead, hit that side part. You gotta listen to that inner voice, y'all. You gotta listen to it because it said, go ahead, hit that side part. And then once it said that, see, when the voice speaks to you, you have to be willing to adjust, your plans accordingly. Because look how that thing is thangin' now. Look how that thing is thangin'. You see? Now I'm starting to feel it. As you can see right there via my body language, it is expressing joy through the storm. You have to find joy. Now, we're going to have to hit it with a little heat on those roots because, see, the roots like to be high and mighty, and we got to bring them down a little bit because the Bible says, humble thyself and I will exalt you. So we got to humble those roots a little bit, okay? In the hopes that God will exalt them in the end, okay? We're going to humble them real quick, okay? But first, I'm going to work on this swoop. Now, when I get to talking about swooper-dupes, y'all get indignant in the comments, okay? This is only an option, all right? I'm going to take the thinning shears because I don't want them to be real thick and ignorant, okay? So I like to thin mine out. Those thinning shears are fantastic, you guys. They're just like regular shears, but they look like they have a little comb on the side with pride, okay? Let's go ahead and knock off that lace, okay? Now, as you can see, the lace is nowhere near my cafe au lait. I'm just going to warm it up a little bit, okay? The purpose here, because I'm going to end up, you can wear this glueless, that's what they say, but I'm going to end up melting it because I do a lot of glueless wigs, and I know sometimes y'all want to see it melted, so I'm going to melt it today, but I just needed to add a dollop of color to that lace because it was bright and out of sight. Now, back to this swoop. I like how the curl is kind of already swooping that dupe, but I'm going to use an ear tab. Y'all know I always use my own. I'm using the wig ear tab today, okay? Because I feel spicy. Now, I got to thin it out because it's ignorant, okay? It's thick, because I took a thick section. So I had to thin that bad boy out with the thinning shears. Now I'm going to cut my preferred amount of ear tab out when I'm trying to be ignorant. Bam, that's it. Now, this part right here is just shaping. I'm not melting the wig yet. I'm just shaping it, getting it into formation. You see how we just kind of swooping it and letting the clip hold it in place? That is, it's going to play its part in the end, okay? Right now, we just pressing those roots down and running them over like our blessings, okay? That's what we're doing right here. This part right here is all about your vision, how you want the wig to look, okay? Now, this right here is a little edge control. It's called the Perfect Edge Control. I found it on Amazon, and y'all, it is amazing. So, bam, that's that. Now, this part, again, is 100% optional. You don't have to have any swoops nor dupes in your style. But sometimes I choose to be ignorant, especially when I have color like this. That means I'm popping off. When y'all see color like this, that means your cousin is popping off, because sometimes y'all think I be playing over here, because I do. I play a lot, but I slay a lot. So now what we're going to do is melt the lace down. And I could have put a melt band on, but for some reason I decided not to. So I'm just applying pressure to it, which is an option too. I don't know. Now I'm defining the parts just because that just goes along with the style. Honey, look, bam, it's popping out. It's like snap, crackle, pop Rice Krispies right there, okay? That's what it's giving. And that's just a little bit of color along those parts, okay? I want you to know that all this is optional. Now, once you melt, some of the color may dissolve or something, and you can apply a little bit more to that hairline if you want to. And look, y'all, look at the body, yaddy. She thick like I aspire to be, okay? She thick in all the right places. Yes, come on, wig. Because I'm going to tell you something. I didn't believe in it at first. I was like, first of all, why did I pick this color? Second of all, this is like a bunch of curls on this wig, and it was pre-plucked beautifully. I expect that from, listen, I expect greatness from Outre. I'm not going to lie. I just do. You know what I'm thinking right there. Tell me what I'm thinking. Tell me what I'm thinking if you know your cousin. Y'all wanted to cut it so bad, but I was like, no, let me not do it, because they be getting mad. Because y'all be like, leave it alone, girl. Leave it alone. But it's rough for me because y'all know I like vibes, okay? I do. But y'all, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. And it's nice and warm outside. The wig is not heavy at all. It is very light. Y'all, it's over with, okay? On second thought, I'm gonna go ahead and cut. This gonna let me know who watched my videos to the end anyways. Boop, that's why you watch it to the end. Cause look at this. Snip, snip. It's already giving. You already know what it's giving. Look, it's giving. Come on now. That's why you go with your gut instinct. Huh? Look at that. Look at this. You can wear it long or short. It's over with. Outre, I'm sorry. I don't even know why I was tripping. Outre. I knew you was gonna come through. Y'all, this is absolutely beautiful. I had too much fun with this wig. Had a little string right there. We're gonna get it, because when you do 2 little snips, you have little pieces that's left. You gotta clean it up. But y'all get the point. Drop down in the comments. Let me know what color you gonna get, because it's over with. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. I should have known better. I just really, y'all, I was nervous. I just have to tell the truth and shame the devil. I was like, this about to be average in the mud. Get this wig, y'all. Look at me. Look at how I'm feeling. Look, you can see it through the screen. Can you see it? Come on now. I'm feeling it, y'all. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. All right? Until next time, y'all. Peace, love, and light. Bye-bye. Y'all be sweet.